AI prompts are transforming marketing by empowering marketers to effortlessly create targeted, compelling content. For instance, when launching a new product, AI can generate creative campaign ideas, brainstorm blog topics, and identify high-volume SEO keywords tailored to your buyer personas and industry trends. This leads to content that is highly relevant and effective. Platforms like Copy.ai and Jasper provide AI-driven tools that craft persuasive copy and entire marketing campaigns quickly, ensuring alignment with your brand voice. Surfer SEO uses AI to suggest keyword-rich prompts that improve search rankings by analyzing trends and competitors. For social media, Hootsuite Insights offers AI-generated prompts that increase engagement by tailoring content to your audience's preferences. Leveraging AI prompts through these tools can boost engagement and conversion rates, making your marketing efforts more impactful. Subscribe for more actionable AI tips from insiders.